Hey guys, it's me, the Pometnov, and today I'll show you how to build Lefty from Five Nights at Freddy's 6. I built this because you guys recommended for me to make it, and so here I am. I like this build a lot because it makes a callback to a previous animatronic, or should I say puppet, which I have made before. Anyways, let's get right into the tutorial. Anyways, now that that's done, let's go ahead and assemble Lefty. Alright, now let's go ahead and take the head and the torso, and we attach it to this joint right here. Be careful, okay? It might sometimes fall off. Anyways, let's go ahead and take the legs and attach them to these joints at the bottom. Careful, by the way, you might break some stuff because this is a really weird animatronic, so make sure to firmly grasp it in a way where you can't break it, like this. There you go. Also make sure that this side sticks out. Anyways, let's go ahead and do the same thing for the other leg. Carefully. Okay, that's good, that's good. Alright, now let's go ahead and attach the arms. Like this. And the other arm like this. Let me just go ahead and adjust the head, and there you go. Lefty from Five Nights at Freddy's 6. Honestly, I love this animatronic a lot, especially its secret puppet inside, and as well as that it has like the face of the puppet in its animatronic face. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos such as this one. And if you really like my content, then share and subscribe, because it really means a lot to me that you guys see my videos. And it really helps me find out what you guys like. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video.